Today we are determining if lines are parallel. Our goal is that we can determine if two lines are parallel if given their points. Review. What is true about the slope of lines that are parallel? Hopefully you remember that their slopes are equal or the same. So, what is the equation of a line containing points 6, 8 and -2, 4? I'm going to pause it and let you guys work it out. So hopefully you are using the points 8 minus 4 and 6 plus 2, because 6 minus -2 would be 6 plus 2, to get 4 over 8, which simplifies to 1/2, which is our slope. And we're using the equation of, where am I? Y equals mx plus b, or we could use y minus y sub 1 equals x, nope, sorry, m times x minus x sub 1, and then substitute our points in. And let's see, we're going to use, I'm going to switch colors so we can follow. So we use the 6, 8. So we get 8, y minus 8, need more room, equals 1/2 of x minus 6, which would be equal to y minus 8 equals 1/2 of 1/2 x minus 3. Then we add our 8, and we get y equals 1/2 x plus 5. So now we need to come up with any equation of a line parallel to that line. So really, the only thing you need is a different y-intercept. So y equals 1/2 x plus 7. So all we needed was a different y-intercept. 7 would be a different y-intercept. And we're ready to move on. All right. Not quite sure why I'm clicked on there. Maybe it'll go away. There we go. All right, is line 2 parallel to line 3? What are their equations? Now we just have to find the slope of the two lines. Actually, I'm going to move the box over to give us a little bit, actually, no, I guess we're fine. We'll do it over here. So we take our 5 minus 4. No, sorry, 5. I'm looking at the wrong points. I'm mixing up my two lines. Okay, so 6 minus 5 and 4 minus 2, and I get 1 over 2. And then we're going to do 4 minus 2 and 1 plus 3. Is that correct? And we get 2 over 4, which gives us 1/2. So the answer to this is yes. Their equations then are going to be, and I wrote that out too big, so I want to move my yes up to here and give myself some more room. So now, each of them have a slope of 1/2. Okay, so we can use the y-intercept, I'm sorry, point slope again. So for the first one, we'll do that in blue. Actually, let's change to green. So we'll do this one here. Y minus 6 equals 1/2 of x minus 4. And it chose that point, so I didn't have to deal with, I guess it wouldn't have mattered because I wouldn't have had to deal with odd number. Never mind. Still works. So then 1/2 x minus 2 equals y minus 6. And then we add our 6 to both sides. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4 for line 2. Okay, and then we'll do line 3 in red. So we get y minus 4. No, yeah, either one's not going to be very pretty because we're going to have to deal with the half of something, an odd number. 1/2 x minus 1 y minus 4 equals 1/2 x, let's see, minus half plus 4 y equals 1/2 x plus 3 1/2. All right, and this was line 2 or line 3. Okay, hopefully that was easy enough to follow. Moving on. Which of the two of the 3 lines going through the given points are parallel to each other? So, go ahead, pause it, work this through, and when you come back, my work will be done. As promised, you didn't have to watch me work through all my work. So as you can see, line 1 and line 3 have the same slope. Therefore, they are parallel to one another. Line 2 does not work out with the other 2. All right, and our last slide on your own are the lines going through these points parallel. Again, on your own, so I'll let you work through it, and when you come back, my work will be done. And again, as promised, my work is done, except for I failed to answer the actual question with the yes. Okay, so my work here is done, and hopefully you understand how to figure out whether or not lines are parallel by finding the slope, and you should know, given points, how to find the equation of the line from all of our previous work. So if you have questions, again, write them down, bring them to class next time we meet, and until we meet again, have a good day.